What is going on, everyone? Mega here with a brand new Discord Pi rewrite tutorial. Well, well, actually in this video we're actually not going to be doing anything like rewrite related. We're mainly going to be doing something like I forgot to do when I originally made the very first bot video. So this is just going to be going back to like doing something that I should have done back then, but I didn't. But basically, what we're going to be doing in this video is that we're going to be setting up a automatic bot role to automatically be assigned to your bot when someone adds it to their server. It's not that difficult to do. It's extremely simple, and does not require any coding whatsoever. So let's go ahead. Let's dive right into it. Okay, and so I'm in my Discord right now, and first off, I'm gonna be using the YouTube tutorial bot for this, but in order to do this, I'm gonna have to actually kick it from the server. So I'm gonna go to server settings, members, and I'm gonna scroll down until I see the bot. There it is, and kick it. Okay, it's gone. All right. Next thing I'm gonna do is no. Actually, I don't need. I thought I needed to do something else, but actually I don't. So next, I'm gonna open up my web browser, and I'm gonna go to Discord app/developers, and I'm gonna go to the YouTube tutorial bot, which is still in my applications, and I'm gonna go to auth. I'm gonna go over to bot, and and you can see like it has a whole bunch of bot permissions. I'm gonna we're basically just gonna select everything, regardless of like what you're gonna do. You can either just do you could just do administrator, but it when you do administrator, all of these aren't like enabled. You can just do administrator if you want to. I believe that just makes it so that everything is enabled, but when you go to the actual role, it shows up as not enabled. So I'm just gonna select everything just in case. Yeah, I'm just gonna select everything. Okay. All right, and everything is selected. All right, and we're gonna. And you know what? Actually, I'm gonna take off manage webhooks actually, and I'm gonna take off manage emojis because this bot is never gonna manage the emojis. It's always gonna use emojis, but it's never gonna create delete emojis. You know what? Actually, I'll leave it on. Okay, and so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna copy this integer, and we're gonna go over to auth2 just like we did last time, and you can see that we have like a bunch of. Oh, actually, let me move myself. There we go. Now you can see everything. Okay, so you can see we have a bunch of options here. This is all like auth2 stuff. Like it's pretty complicated stuff. But the only thing we really need to worry about is bot, because this one doesn't require a redirect. If you had a website that you were redirecting, then you would add a redirect, and then you can use these stuff. But since we don't have a redirect, we can't use it, and so we're gonna copy it. Oh, actually, I forgot to make a note of the number. Because we need that number. And I'm just going to quickly open a text document just so I can have this number saved. Just a quick little text document. There we go. Number saved. All right. Now we can go back. Okay. Now back to auth2 and select bot again. And we're gonna copy it, and we're gonna open it in a new tab. And where it says permissions equals 0, we're gonna backspace on that, and then we're gonna go to the text document and copy that, and we're gonna paste that right here. And then we just press enter. And as you can see, it has all these permissions now. And allow the following permissions. This will create a role called YouTube tutorial that you can edit. And we're gonna add it to my server. And we're gonna authorize. I am not a robot. I am adding a robot. Okay, and let's go back to Discord, and I'm gonna move myself back down. Well, I'll move myself over. No, yeah, I'll just leave it right there. Okay, and as you can see, YouTube tutorial is right here. So let's go over to server settings and roles, and let's move YouTube tutorial up. And let's select it. And as you can see, all the permissions are enabled. And so let's just change it up a bit. Like, let's make it display from members separate, and let's also give it an administrator. Okay. And now it has every single permission. And let's change the color to I guess light blue. No, actually, I already have that color. Yeah, okay, that's good. All right. Okay. And so now I'm gonna bring up my YouTube, my PyCharm, and I'm gonna run the bot that we so it can show up. And if we go over to Discord, you can see it has its own YouTube tutorial role, and it has the new color, and it's everything is the same. And so now basically anytime like somebody adds this bot to their server, it's always gonna have those permissions. Now, if you want to, you could just do a administrator, because it looks pretty cluttered and the person can just edit the role as they see fit. And I think that's actually a safer method. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. In the next video, I guess we'll work more with roles. So yeah, this has been Mega, and I will see you again next time.